Button Kip is moving. Episode 3, a new tree. Bird flew around the tree. Kip! She cried. Where are you? She looked at every branch, but didn't see Kip. She landed near the bottom of the tree. Poor Kip, Bird cried. Pop! Kip jumped out of a hole. Ah! Bird cried. I found a new home, Kip said. I thought a hawk got you, Bird said. She sighed. But I'm glad you found a home. Bird made a nest up in the tree. Kip cleaned the hole. Together they moved their things. Kip set up his bed. He set up his kitchen. Bird put away her knitting things. She put away her stamp. Bird found an acorn. This is Kip's acorn, she thought. Bird called. He looked down of his hole. Yes? Bird dropped the acorn. Bonk! Oops, sorry, Kip. Bird grinned.